Yeah, oh. Beaches is good. Beaches is good. Oh. But yeah, I like different movies for different moods, you know. My soul just left my body, and I don't think I got it snatched back. We can catch it. We can catch it in a heart. All right, that's even too corny for me. I'm sorry. I take it back.
Wait. I've been married to you for 22 years. Nothing is too corny for you.
Well, probably. But even sometimes I go, that was a little much. Probably a little much. I think you missed my thing. Did you hawk up any hairballs during jury duty? No. Thank goodness. We'll talk about jury duty. So first today, I got screwed in my tire. I went to go to the post office, and as I pulled away, I heard fa-dum, 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 like a flat tire, but the tire wasn't flat because it wasn't pulling. So I pulled over and I looked at all the tires and I went, oh man, I got screwed. Somebody screwed me. So I came back home, called AAA. He couldn't put on my donut because apparently the who's-a-majigger in the thing which you got to turn couldn't turn because it's never been used before. So he said, it looks fine. Just go ahead down to the tire place and they'll fix you up. And they did. Thank you, Discount Tire, for fixing my flat for free. I didn't even buy the tires from there.
Wasn't a flat?
Well, it would have been if I unscrewed the screw, probably. Have I seen the new Pixar movie Turning Red? You just reminded me of it. No, I have not. I'm behind in my Pixars. Thump Thump is flat. Yeah, but it wasn't flat. I think it was just the screw hitting the pavement because it was like halfway out. Oh, they were awesome, Sazzle. Fixed me right up. Had good AC, clean bathroom, spotless bathroom, in fact. Sponsored by Discount Tire. Oh, speaking of sponsors tonight, we've got a review key for Capybara Spa. It's adorable. You need to buy it. It's on sale right now. It just released on last Monday. It is cuteness. It'll only cost you the price of an expensive coffee. And Kira said it's good. She's already played it. I heard a lot of people was upset with it. Upset with what? What are we talking about? Did I miss it? Discount Tire?
Or Capybara Spa?
You can put little flowers on their heads when they bathe? Oh! Like an elephant coffee? That's expensive. No. Just like fancy frappuccino, soy milk, almond milk, latte, frappe, double shot. That kind of coffee. Oh, the movie Red? I had not heard any hubbaloo. Hubbaloo? Hubbaloo. I think there's more syllables in there. Ah. Oh, they're back.
Hullabaloo.
Hubbaloo? Hubbaloo?
Hullabaloo.
Hullabaloo? Okay.
What imp typed?
Hubble bubble. They're back. Corey and Kit want to. Goodness, you haven't had treats in a week. You've had no treats for a week. You look skinnier. You look like you need to get brushed. Nisa want to get brushed? You want to get brushed? You do? You do want to get brushed.
Brush, Anissa.
Okay, fix my head. Better. Better like butter. I heard the young girl talks to her parents and tells them she doesn't have to listen to them or something like that. Oh, maybe. I don't know.
Subscriber!
Trixie's mama coming in with the 7-month 3 sub. All the love and hype in chat. Mwah! Thank you so much. Yeah, so we're going to play that tonight. We've got news you didn't want to know. And we might have a couple, you know. But wait, there's more. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so I had jury duty. Are you ready? Are you ready for the tales of jury duty? Number 1, I had to wear a bra all week. All week. All day and all week. So MeeMaw was cranky to begin with. The horror. Thundernuts! Coming in with a 6-month resub. Mwah, thank you so much. Well, crap. I know. Tank top with shelf bras are your friends. Oh, so I was all worked up the night before. I was very nervous for the whole picking process. I don't know why, because that was the easiest part. So, on the way there, you know you aren't the one on trial, right? I know. So, this was like in the city itself, and it's got one-way streets. MeeMaw does not like one-way streets. I'm not good with them.
Never has been, never will be.
So I circled the courthouse
several times.
About 5 times on day 1. Because I could see it. It was right there. I could have walked to it. But I couldn't figure out a way to get there. So we're all in there. Jury duty is really fun when you have Tourette's syndrome like I do. Oh, that would be so much fun. I'm not laughing at you, hon. But it would have been amusing. You should visit Scotland. One-way streets that are the size of a small bicycle lane through most of the cities. No. Just no. Oh. So, where was I? Okay. So we're all packed in there like sardines. Only 3 of us are wearing a mask. There's no 6 feet apart. It's more like, cheek to cheek. And they start asking all the questions and, do you know anybody? Have you ever done this? Do you want to do that? So, one of the folks on our break, he was wearing, I called him Mr. Overalls, because he was wearing overalls, like full-on Mr. Green G's overalls in court. Now, I wasn't fancy schmancy. I just had on jeans and a blouse, but he was in full overalls. So I was yakking with him, and he said, well, they're not going to pick me. And I said, really, why not? And he goes, well, the prosecutor prosecuted me, the defense attorney defended me, and the judge put me away. I said, well, you might be right. My hubby wears them too, says they're comfy while driving. Oh, they're comfy. I wore overalls all through my first pregnancy. I loved them. Talk about coincidence. Well, it's a small town, apparently. Because a lot of people knew other people. They're like, well, I grew up with that guy, and this guy knows all my kids and stuff, and we have barbecues, and yeah. So then, we had the church lady, I called her. Because when they asked her, well, would you be able to decide if somebody was, and she was like, no.
Well, isn't that special?
Oh, wait, the computer froze.
No.
No one can judge another except the one. She could not decide anyone's fate. She could not be judged. She will not throw stones through glass trials. So, they didn't pick her. Then one guy said that he couldn't do it because his work wouldn't let him go. And the judge said, give me your boss's phone number. I'll call him, because that's illegal. That's one way to get out of jury. I wish I would have thought of it. At least you know he's popular in the court system. Oh, wait a second. Are you saying they picked you because you were one of the most normal people there? Apparently. Potato, I feel your pain. I'm 5'9" myself. Finding jeans long enough, pain in the patootie. Oh. Yeah, it is illegal, Fox Rider. And he said he would call him. But he didn't get picked either. Oh. But Mr. Judge, I'm a cat. Remember that call? The Zoom call? Way back in the beginning of the pandemic? When somebody was having it was like a legal hearing or something. And the one attorney had on a cat filter. God, I love that one. And he was like, he had like a cat filter like mine. And he's like, Judge, Your Honor, I am not a cat. And the judge was like, yes, I know. I swear, I'm not a cat. Oh, that was good. Okay, so anyway, so now we're picked. Oh, geez. So day 2 rolls around. They give you a day off. Because this was kind of, and, well, it was kind of a major charge. So they said, well, this is probably going to go through Friday. We'll give you a day off to put your affairs in order. And then you'll be back the rest of the week. You have a friend who's a lawyer, and his favorite thing to say, I'm glad I'm not a criminal defense lawyer. I would hate to put the fate of a client in the hands of 12 people too stupid to get out of jury duty. That's what it was. That's what it was. I even told them. I said, I'm married to an ex-cop. I have a gun. You don't want me. Put your affairs in order usually means they're going to kill you or you have a terminal illness. Do you get paid to be on jury duty? Yes. You get $17.50 for that day, the selection process. And if they pick you, dun, 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 you get $40 a day, baby. But you got to bring your own lunch. So if you buy your lunch...
$5 an hour.
That's it? $5 an hour?
You were there 8 hours a day. Actually, you were there 9 hours a day.
Yeah. But
so less than $5 an hour.
But you got to bring your own lunch. There was no cafeteria. You would think a courthouse would have a cafeteria. But no. And the first day, we had to pay for our own parking. But I was there later. So because I got picked. once you get picked, it's free parking, baby. Not even a subway. I got out because the mail lady lost the letter telling me the date and time to be there. She called and told her I never got anything. They never called again. It's a courthouse. Most of the workers go out to get away. Oh. You wanted to be a forensic worker? But mental disorder shot that dream down? Oh, I think we have a niece that's trying to do that. I should invest in Starbucks for a courthouse. I should. I totally should. Oh, so anyway, so now the trial begins. But we got free parking. So we're all pretty happy. Did you know that the jury gets to ask questions? I never knew that. That's not on TV. I've never seen the jury be able to ask questions, have you? But you can. You totally can. You have to wait. Like, the one lawyer gets to question the witness, and then the other lawyer gets to question the witness, and you've got a tiny microscopic chance in between that and the judge saying, okay, you're free to go now. If you can get your piece of paper with your question on it down to the end for the bailiff to go, they'll ask your question. Well, you know MeeMaw. I gotta ask questions. They said I could. It was already so hard not to say anything the whole time, just sitting there looking at pictures.
Yeah, MeeMaw got the 8-hour-long shush.
That's so mean. Most don't ask stuff that makes you stay later, but I gotta know. I mean, I'm deciding the fate of somebody's life. I gotta know the facts. I want to know all the things. What's your favorite color? Oh, praise. How many times did you think, do they think I'm stupid? Well. Molly, welcome, hon. Did you talk your head off when she got home every day? Did I pop a bill?
You might have. I didn't listen.
Hey. Oh. So I won't give you like all the specifics of the case. But the judge said I could talk. So I'm talking.
That was a mistake. I need to talk to him. Which judge was it?
Oh. So the case involved a shooting, which we will talk about in a... Have a good night, Orange. Okay, so we get to ask questions now. So one lady who said she was on the scene at the time, but she was so busy, she didn't hear anything. And she didn't see anything. Yeah, she said she didn't see anything. So I asked, did you hear any gunshots?
Because last we checked, guns tend to be kind of loud.
They are. And I knew she was gonna lie because she was lying all over the place. But I wanted to see what she said, and I wanted everybody else to see what she said. And she lied. She said, I couldn't hear him. They were 2 feet away from me. Couldn't hear him. Now, I'm sorry. But even if you got your earbuds in and you're listening to an action movie, you're still gonna hear it. Raven, welcome, hon. Found us on the TikToks. We love the TikToks. Welcome. Yes, guns are loud. You would hear it. A silencer doesn't make them silent, though, Si. You still hear it. Oh. So, yeah, I asked a few more questions, and it's cute. Because when we ask a question, it goes up to the judge, and then the judge has to show it to the two attorneys so they can object and overruled and all that. And you could always tell the question either made one happy and the other sad, or the other way around. They were either like, yeah, good question, or ah, crap. They're going to ask that. Yeah. So then, after, bring back tools. I don't think that'll work. Oh, I had a few questions, Mama Bear. You know me. I got questions. And then, because I was asking questions, the other people said, well, hey, if we can ask questions. So we were all asking questions. So then, once they wrapped up their closing arguments, they stuck us in a room. Well, back in the room. Because court is worse than church. With the stand, all be seated. Please rise. Go in the other room because we're going to talk about stuff and we don't want you to hear it. Come back in. All right. We'll talk for 10 minutes. Nope. Go back out. Got to talk more about something you can't hear. But do you have to kneel? No, we didn't have to kneel. Oh, so collectively, you guys added like 3 days to the trial. Ryushi, how you doing? Probably. Oh, so then they sealed us up in the little room, and that was like 5 o'clock. And they said, now stay in there. You guys asked so many questions. Stay in there until you decide. And like I knew this in the back of my mind, but I didn't remember it until they said it. You all have to agree. Like, it's got to be unanimous. Like I was thinking, oh, well, I guess if there's 12 of us, it could be split down the middle. But I was thinking like the majority wins. No, we all have to decide together. So yeah, took 4 hours. Everybody mentioned that movie. I gotta see that movie. I've never seen it. But yeah, like 3 people said, oh, this is like 12 Angry Men. I was like, I don't even know the story. Yeah, so I know, I heard it's a classic. I gotta watch it. Oh. Yes, so after 4 hours, they let us go. It was 9 o'clock at night. All I wanted to do was go home. Oh, but every day, I looped the courthouse one less time on my way in. So like the second day, I only had to go around 4 times. Third day, 3 times. I got better each day. Ah. See the black and white with Henry Fonda. Okay. If only tech could be invented that there could be no lying in court. Yes, that would be nice. It would have gone much quicker. MeeMaw, the Pauly Shore version might be more your speed. Jury Duty 1995.
Have seen that one.
I don't know if I've seen it. Did I start the... Yes, we started the thing. Okay, we're good. We're good! Yes, so that was jury duty. Ah, nerve-wracking, though. Holy moly. And something else I didn't know that you should know in case you gotta go. You don't get to see the evidence. Like, they let you take notes. They give you a pad.
Subscriber!
Raven, thank you for that sub. Mwah! All the love and hype in chat. Oh my goodness. You're brand new. You might want your money back. You don't know what's gonna happen. It could all go downhill from here.
You've got to see at least 3, but wait, there's more before you stop.
Oh, there should be a confirm button. Are you really sure you want to do this?
Check the VODs first and get back to us.
Yeah, you should be mandated. Sit through a VOD. Really. Make sure. Oh, what was I saying?
We need to put together like a 15-minute video of just various aspects so people get a good feel for you and make them watch that first.
Yeah. Oh, what was I saying, Papa Bill?
I have no idea.
It was something.
You think I listen to you?
It was something you need to know before you go. What was it? Oh! You don't get to see the evidence. Like, they give you a pad and paper and they say, go ahead, take notes, but pay attention because you want to see, witnesses' facial expressions and all that when they're lying. So I was taking notes. I was a good student. I was always a good note taker. I didn't do homework, but I took good notes because once I write it down, then I can see it on the page in my head. So I took notes. But we were all thinking, well, okay, we'll get to see that, when we're deliberating, we'll get to review it, like the transcript or whatever. No, you don't get to get the evidence again. They said, no, you had a pad and pen. You should have been taking notes. So that screwed us at the end. We all combined our notes together. Oh. You like that? If you write, you can see it and remember it. See? Yeah. Oh, we had an orientation video. Yeah, when I first got there.
On the 65-inch touchscreen.
Yeah, they had a 65-inch touchscreen. And they played the little welcome to jury duty. And I'm thinking, boy, that's my tax dollars right there. 65-inch touchscreen just to play the welcome to jury duty. But no, they used it during court too. Because at one point they went, I'd like to submit in evidence photographs 1 through 70 as evidence. And we all looked at each other like, oh, 70 pictures? You're going to hand us 70 pictures? But no, we did it on the touchscreen. Came in handy. So it was worth the money, I guess. There we go. So, ta-da. Jury duty. Done.